Hello, everyone. Welcome to Educational Hub. Imagine you're starting your thesis today. You have no research topic, no literature review, no research gap, no methodology, and no idea which AI tool can help you the most. Should you use ChatGPT, Gemini, SciSpace, Consensus AI, or should you combine all of them? Today, I'm going to compare these AI tools using the same research topic and the same prompts. We'll test them in real time and see which one performs best. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which AI tool to use for each stage of your research. Let's begin. Today's research topic is impact of social media on youth. Every AI tool will receive the exact same prompts. We'll compare them in research topic, literature review, research gap, theory selection, PDF analysis, academic writing, research accuracy, ease of use. Finally, I'll tell you which AI tool I personally recommend. Tool 1, ChatGPT, research topic generation. First, open ChatGPT and ask, suggest 10 research topics related to impact of social media on youth. If your goal is to publish in a high-impact journal, these topics currently offer strong research opportunities. 1. Impact of short-form video platforms on attention span and learning behavior. 2. Social media addiction, mental health, and academic performance. 3. AI-driven social media recommendations and youth well-being. 4. Social media misinformation and critical thinking among youth. 5. Cyberbullying, digital resilience, and psychological health. These topics are clear, relevant, and easy to convert into research proposals. Finding research problem. You can ask, write a research problem for impact of social media on youth. ChatGPT generates a problem statement highlighting why the topic matters and identifies a gap that needs investigation. Next, writing, literature review. So type, write a literature review using recent studies on the impact of social media on youth. ChatGPT organizes previous studies into a coherent summary. Remind viewers to verify references before using them. A very important step in research is research gap. You can ask, identify research gaps from recent studies. Example gaps: few studies in developing countries, limited longitudinal research, insufficient focus on university students. All right, next step is research questions. Right? Generate 5 research questions. Example: how does social media usage influence students' academic performance? Step 6, research objectives. Prompt: write SMART research objectives. Step 7, hypotheses. Prompt: generate research hypotheses. Example: H1, social media usage significantly affects academic performance. Step 8, theory. Prompt: suggest the most suitable theory. ChatGPT recommends uses and gratifications theory, social learning theory, and explains why they fit. Step 9, conceptual framework. Prompt: create a conceptual framework with IV, DV, mediator, and moderator. Output: social media usage. Down, mental health. Down, academic performance. Moderator, gender. Step 10, research methodology. Prompt: write a suitable research methodology. ChatGPT suggests quantitative research, survey, questionnaire, SPSS, stratified sampling. Step 11, questionnaire. Prompt: create a 5-point Likert scale questionnaire. ChatGPT generates questionnaire items for each construct. Final verdict: strengths: best brainstorming, excellent writing, fast, easy prompts. Weaknesses: references should always be verified. Rating: 5 stars, 9.7 out of 10. Tool 2, Gemini AI. Now let's test Gemini AI using exactly the same research topic. Our topic is Impact of Social Media on Youth. Instead of giving Gemini multiple prompts, let's see what happens when we use one comprehensive research prompt. Master prompt. Act as a PhD research supervisor and research methodology expert. My research topic is Impact of Social Media on Youth. Create a complete research project that includes 10 refined research titles, research background, research problem, literature review using recent studies, research gap, research objectives, research questions, hypotheses, independent, dependent, mediating, and moderating variables. The most suitable theory with justification, conceptual framework, research methodology, sampling technique, sample size, data collection method, questionnaire with 5-point Likert scale, suggested statistical tests, expected findings, practical implications, limitations, future research directions. Write everything in academic language using clear headings. Where appropriate, recommend that claims be supported with peer-reviewed sources rather than inventing citations. Paste the prompt. Click Generate. Gemini starts producing a structured draft. First, it suggests research titles. Then it writes the background. Next comes the research problem. After that, it outlines a literature review, identifies research gaps, develops objectives, research questions, hypotheses, and proposes a conceptual framework. It also recommends an appropriate methodology, sampling strategy, questionnaire, and possible statistical analyses. Everything is organized under clear academic headings. For students, this provides an excellent starting structure that can then be refined with real literature. What I like: excellent long-form writing, very detailed explanations, strong reasoning, handles long documents well, good organization. Limitations: always verify factual claims and references. Replace placeholder or AI-generated citations with genuine peer-reviewed sources. Rating: 5 stars, 9.5 out of 10. Tool 3, SciSpace. Now let's test SciSpace. Unlike ChatGPT and Gemini, SciSpace works best when connected to published research. We'll use one comprehensive prompt. I am writing a research paper on impact of social media on youth. Using relevant published research available through SciSpace, help me identify the main themes in the literature, summarize key findings from relevant studies, compare research methodologies, identify common research gaps, recommend an appropriate theory, suggest a conceptual framework, recommend variables and hypotheses, suggest a suitable research methodology, recommend a questionnaire based on validated constructs where possible, identify limitations in existing studies, suggest future research directions. Base your responses on the available research papers and clearly distinguish summaries from your own suggestions. SciSpace searches relevant research papers. Instead of producing unsupported text, it grounds its responses in published studies. It summarizes papers, extracts methodologies, highlights recurring research gaps, and identifies commonly used theories. This makes the output particularly valuable for literature reviews and evidence gathering. What I like? Based on published papers, excellent literature review support, great PDF explanations, reliable research summaries. Limitations: better for understanding research than writing an entire paper from scratch. Rating: 4.5 out of 5, 9.8 out of 10. Tool 4, Consensus AI. Now let's test Consensus AI. Consensus is designed to answer research questions using scientific evidence. We'll use one comprehensive prompt. Master prompt: I am researching impact of social media on youth. Using published scientific evidence, summarize what current research says, Identify areas where researchers agree, highlight conflicting findings, identify common research gaps, suggest theories frequently used in this field, recommend important variables to study, suggest future research opportunities, provide evidence-based insights that can help me design a strong research proposal. Make it clear which conclusions are supported by published studies and where evidence is mixed or limited. Consensus searches scientific literature. Instead of generating a traditional research paper, it produces evidence-backed summaries. For example, it may show that many studies report links between heavy social media use and mental health outcomes, while also highlighting areas where findings differ. This helps you understand the current state of evidence before you begin writing. What I like: evidence-based answers, fast scientific search, excellent for identifying consensus and disagreement, strong support for research justification. Limitations: not intended to write a complete thesis, best used alongside a writing-focused AI tool. Rating: 4.2 out of 5, 9.2 out of 10. If your goal is writing and structuring a research paper. ChatGPT. Second, Gemini. If your goal is understanding published research and literature reviews. SciSpace. If your goal is finding evidence and validating claims. Consensus AI. The most effective workflow is to combine these tools, rather than relying on only one. If you had to choose only one AI tool for your research, which one would it be? Let me know in the comments. And if you want a complete tutorial on any of these tools, tell me which one should be next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.